Hello everyone, let's try to solve question 21 of GATE CS1 2025 paper series. Consider the following B plus tree with 5 nodes in which a node is storing at most 3 values. The correct value is inserted in B plus tree. Which one of the following options are correct? So you can see like an option in front of you where there is a tree given to you, and in this particular tree several nodes are there, and in those several nodes you can observe that some values are stored. So based on that we have to figure out some statements which are correct or not. Let's see that. So in order to do this question we need to understand what B plus trees are. So B plus tree is basically, let's understand from the definition. It is a self-balancing data structure which is stored data in sorted format and allows search, insert, delete in logarithmic time. It is a type of B plus tree with some key differences. It is used in databases and file system, and it is optimized for disk access, store very large amount of data very efficiently, and it is better than binary tree, AVLs, and other large data sets. Uh, what are some key terms? Order. Order is basically the maximum number of children a node can have. Fan out. It is for the maximum branching. Leaf node, that is a bottommost node, and internal node data is being stored in actually the leaf node in B plus tree. And other internal nodes only store the like keys, but not the data. It is only for the keys. And it is balanced. That means all the paths from root to leaf have same length. Uh, Apart from this, what we can know about is the structure. So every internal node can have at most m children, and every internal node except root must have m by 2 to m children. Okay. Root must have at least 2 children if it unless it is a leaf. All the data is being stored in the leaf nodes only, and all internal node only store the keys, not the actual data. Okay. Now, leaf nodes are actually connected like a linked list format. It helps in faster range queries. The tree is always balanced. So you also have to figure out that redistribution happen whenever a tree is having at most keys, and you try to insert in the leaf node. Okay. So what actually happens is, if you observe, then as per the option A, will the nodes split? Obviously, the nodes will split. So option A is wrong. At least one of the nodes will split because I will try to insert 23 here. So this node will have to split. When it splits, so it will redistribute. What is redistribution? The middle node will be promoted back to the parent. The total number of nodes will not remain the same, and the height of the tree will increase when the splitting happens. So option B and option D are the correct option. Like at least one of the nodes will be splitting because it is already holding 3 values, and if I insert the fourth value, then splitting will 100% happen. Also, the height of the tree will increase due to splitting, and one of the nodes will be promoted. And since this is also holding three nodes, so obviously three data keys. So obviously further things happen recursively. So the correct option for this particular question is option B and option D. यार ऐसा समझ लो कि ऑलरेडी तीन एट मोस्ट तीन डेटा पॉइंट्स हम स्टोर कर सकते हैं, तीन ऑलरेडी है, तो चौथा डालोगे तो स्प्लिट करना पड़ेगा। जब आप स्प्लिटिंग करोगे तो जो एक नोड है नॉर्मली मिडिल वाली, हम ऊपर पेरेंट के पास प्रमोट कर देते हैं। ठीक है। और ये रिकर्सिवली ऊपर जाता रहता है अनटिल एंड अनलेस इट इज पॉसिबल। ठीक है। तो टोटल नंबर ऑफ नोड्स तो सेम रहने नहीं वाली, नोड्स बढ़ेंगी, हाइट भी बढ़ जाएगी ट्री की क्योंकि स्प्लिटिंग होने वाली। ठीक है। सो आप देख सकते हैं एक नोड यहाँ पे रिडिस्ट्रीब्यूट भी हो रही है क्योंकि स्प्लिट भी हो रही है और साथ ही साथ डेटा पीछे भेज के रिडिस्ट्रीब्यूट। सो ऑप्शन बी एंड ऑप्शन डी आर द करेक्ट ऑप्शन। दैट्स इट फॉर दिस पर्टिकुलर वीडियो। टेक केयर, बाय बाय, सी यू गाइस इन द नेक्स्ट वीडियो।